Let's be real, studying sucks. You sit down to take your textbook and start reading, and then suddenly a video you watched 3 weeks ago in YouTube feels more important than studying photosynthesis for your tomorrow's exam. Have you felt that? But here's the thing, it's not that you're lazy, it's that just your mindset is broken. Today, I'm going to show you the tiny mental shift that makes studying not addictive, but something that you would want to do. And if you apply this, your grades might increase, but more importantly, you'll stop to hate studying. Most people treat studying as a chore. You only do it so your parents doesn't yell at you, or so you can get that grade. But that's the problem. When your brain thinks something is a chore, it shuts the door of curiosity. And when there is no curiosity, it stops caring about the process which is happening. That's why you feel drained after even studying for 5 minutes. Not because that you're weak, but because your brain doesn't see a reason to stay while studying. School never taught us why to learn, only that we have to. And that destroys any spark you could have. This shift is very simple. Stop studying to pass and start studying to understand. Your teachers might have told that, but that's more deeper than that. Treat every topic like a mystery you're trying to solve, and then ask yourself, why does this happen? Or how could you connect this thing with an other topic which you've taught before? Yeah, we'll go elaborate in that. This is where studying stops to be a torture and it starts to feel like explorations. And you're no longer consuming facts. You're just connecting ideas in between. And that's the shift you need to make studying interesting. So now I'll say you how to apply it. So we everybody know teachers, right? So when they teach a topic, just try to imitate them. And when you complete running through a topic, you try to explain that to anybody. It may be your dog, your family member, or even to the air. So just act like you're a teacher and try to express out whatever you have studied. And if you're not able to teach each and everything in one go, you're going to study that again, and it goes on. So by that time, you feel like you have some responsibility and you start studying, and that slowly starts to feel interesting. I'm telling with experience actually. And then the second trick is that try to form questions of your own, and that tells how much understanding you've got from the lesson. And then the third part is, if you're studying history or something like that, connect it with other points so that you get a clear understanding about that, and then you can explain it in your own words or write it in your own words instead of just copying out whatever is given in the notes. The fourth trick, or whatever you call it, try to draw colorful mind maps. So even mind map is not even asked in your subject or your exam, try to make that so that you get a better understanding of the subject. And for example, you are remembering dates. And for example, you are remembering dates, okay? Dates from history. So when you draw a mind map, you will know what specifically happened, and at first you would get a better understanding about the whole lesson, and then after that, you can move to notes to make learning more easier. If studying has ever felt like hell, try this once, just for one topic, and you would know the change. And comment your hardest subjects so that we'll make it easy next time. So, subscribe, and we're just starting, so let's make learning exciting again. Peace.